What happened was that I went out yesterday for lunch and I ended up eating a little bit of fish. But for some reason, this fish must have been bad. And I ate literally 3 or 5 little pieces with salad. I had a salad with that all combination. And not even literally 20 minutes after that, I literally got so sick that we have to stop the car on the side of the parkway, and I literally vomited everything. So I go home. I decided to take a shower because I know when you take a shower, it regulates from the water the resonance, because the water is a conductor and is washing off the frequency. That's what I've learned from my guides. So while I'm in the shower, I decided to do the Galactic meditation, but instead the Galactic family, I'm using the method for my body. And so I visualized my body within the quantum field that was completely pure and perfect. And when I started grabbing in that resonance within me, I actually took from one hologram and everything was in light. The whole body was in light, and I can see that beautiful expression. When I was visualizing that, I went directly by calling that this is my perfect body. And when I start doing the meditation, mimicking the Galactic meditation, and I start breathing, and when I was imagining, I start taking out of this hologram and start breathing in that energetic frequency from this hologram. In the meantime, I know that this is my perfect body, perfect healthy frequency. What happened, he told me, you activate it and you start taking from this hologram to your new version that is in the home right now. I start basically downloading this frequency into my body, taking it out, in and out, and became like this, like a Taurus. And I start increasing the frequency of my emotion and joy with love, and then calling myself, I'm healthy, I'm okay, I'm healthy, I'm okay. And I start breathing very heavily, in and out, up and down, breathing all the time, like almost like I was imagining that when I saw my body of the imagery, I was sucking in that energy within me. But what happened is, soon as I start doing that, not even like a minute, and I hear, oh my God, it's too much. And what I did, I was so precise with the resonance because now I'm trained. I was trained to be very precise of the emotion, so I can tune in immediately like an actor and feel the emotion of love. And I was very precise. And because of that, I took more energy than I should have. Start saying, we're going to do holographic imagery replicator for you. They're going to increase every day 3% with my body to clean out all this negative energy. So now they told me about the technology, holographic imagery. They said like a replicator. In a spacecraft, the extraterrestrials, your galactic family, have the original biophotonic imagery, biophotonic resonance. That is your perfect DNA, RNA, who you are as a consciousness, the vibration, the pulsation of who you are. But now we're talking here in a quantum field. They said we're going to download 3% into my body every day until it's 100%. We're going to take from that imagery and we're going to start downloading within your field 3% until you complete to 100%. They said to me it's going to be 99% download, and then it's going to be 1% left. And let me tell you what they said here. And this is what I'm reading. This is exactly what they said. Holographic imagery replicator technology. In the secondary body of your new hologram expression, we basically will replicate your body frequency in a parallel structural hologram that will mimic all your biophotonic resonance to a perfect replica. And then slowly we will integrate that secondary version of you into this body right now, 3% every day until it's 100% complete. That last 1%, it will be a total readjustment to make sure that nothing is off balance. That is why when you use holographic replicator imagery, you do it slowly, and then you allow 1% to adjust in fluctuation fractally. The last percent is going to be actually very slowly integrated fractally into my body through fluctuation to make sure that everything is adjusted 100%.